Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make a new steps over here. You see these steps, it's a wooden step. It's kind of flimsy. You can show them over there down. It's like moving every time you go up and down. So I'm gonna make a cement steps over here. All right, first I'm gonna take the wood out and then I'm gonna show you what we do. Here you see I took the steps out, but I kept the wood, the level of the steps. Now I put the two borders. Now I have to nail them, those steps. So what we do is, then we have to put the borders this way so we can put the cement later on. All right, what I have to do, those are the plywood, just the wood. What I have to do is I have to measure it. So I'm going to put, you can show them here, make a line here so I can cut the wood. What we have to do when we pour the cement, this will block the cement to pour down. So I'm going to put one here, and one in the bottom. Now I'm going to cut them. Now we're gonna nail this to the steps, like I said. All right, over here now I want to show you the steps. I filled up a lot of rocks in it because we bought the cement over here, and I don't want to fill it all cement. This is my work, that this is what I do. You can save a lot of cement, but at the same time, even the cement, it will hold it better. They all brick styles, and the sides I put pieces of wood this way, so this is how I was able to handle it. This kind of cardboard I have that I put the edges so the cement won't go out even though it's closed. So anyway, now I have a friend with me that he's gonna mix the cement and we're gonna do it together. Here we got about 11 bag of cement. Now we're gonna mix it and we're gonna pour in it. To fill it all it looks like I'm gonna need some more cement, so we're taking a break. Now we're gonna fill this all and then it's gonna look very beautiful steps. All right, like you over here, you see it, it's already halfway down. Still we have few more. We got more extra cement because it was little, so we're gonna fill it on the top so it will become all the beautiful steps. I guess we have to put maybe another 5-6 bags. So almost there. Here I want to show you. That was a lot of work, but it worth it for me to do it. Now I have good, nice, safe steps. Now it's gonna stay like this for a few days to dry up, and then I'm gonna take the wood out, and then it's gonna look very nice, beautiful cement. I'll show you the result. All right, now that you see, this is the edger that I'm going to do it. We finished it. Of course, this is still, the woods are there. We're going to take it out. It has an edger. What we're going to put, we put this at the edge to make it round, or we push it flat down and we go slowly, bring it like this. And then I'm going to take the extra ones and throw it down. And this is how we will finish it up. All right, now I want to show you the finishing work. Here's my finishing steps that I did. Now my kittens are enjoying it. And you see over here the sides. So I put lava rocks while its cement was wet. So to finish it up and to make it look better. So here's the other side. This is lava rocks and pebbles. And I think it's much better than wooden steps. So well, thank you for watching, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. I hope you like the job, and I want to thank you. Go on my videos, you see a lot of videos. Even you see here the floor. I have a very easy way that you can lay bricks. If you go become inspired on how to lay bricks, you see me, you will love to do it in your front yard, backyard. Very easy way. All right, that's the job I did. Now I can enjoy it. So is my kittens. and I will have fun this way. Here's my kitten. Come on, kitty. So thank you again, and I hope you like. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I thank you very much. Come here, Mitten, and now Mitten will enjoy. Kitten and Mitten, they are going to enjoy the steps. There you go. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.